In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an email as read or unread on Microsoft Outlook using a Mac. This guide is tailored for those who want to streamline their email management process, ensuring you can easily track which emails you've dealt with and which you still need to address. Let's jump right into it. First, launch Microsoft Outlook on your Mac. If you don't have it in your dock, you can easily find it by using the search feature on your Mac. Just press Command and Spacebar together, type Outlook, and hit Enter. Once Outlook is open, you want to navigate to the Mail view. Do this by clicking the Mail icon, which looks like an envelope, located in the lower left corner. This action will direct you to your inbox, where all your emails are neatly organized. Now identify the email you want to mark as read or unread. Simply click on the email once to select it. If you have multiple emails that need attention, you can select more than one by holding down the Command key and clicking on each email you wish to mark. This method is especially useful when you're managing a large volume of emails and need to adjust their status efficiently. The next step is to right-click on the email or the group of emails that you have selected. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options related to the email. To change the read status, look for the options Mark as Read or Mark as Unread. Choose Mark as Read if you want to indicate that you've dealt with the email. This action will remove the blue dot next to the email, which signifies unread status. Alternatively, if you want to mark it as unread, select Mark as Unread, and the blue dot will reappear, indicating that the email needs attention. And there you have it. By completing these simple steps, your email's read or unread status will update instantly, helping you maintain an organized inbox. This method is a quick way to manage your digital correspondence more effectively. If you frequently handle emails, consider getting into the habit of marking them accordingly, which can significantly improve your productivity. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Outlook inbox more efficiently on your Mac. Remember, staying on top of your emails can make a big difference in your daily workflow. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips on streamlining your digital life.